Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Mohindra, and in this video I'll be going through my code for custom project plan, and then after that I'll be showing the working of my project. For this project I've made a simple platformer game, and I'll be going through a little bit over the code because of the time bound that I have of 6 minutes. I'll just give a brief overview. For this project, I've used four main entities that are cube, finish, platform, and my circle. These all have different variables inside them. For example, the xy and the height width is almost same in all the four. The xy is the position of the entity on the window, and the height width is their dimensions, and it is a little different from for the circle because the circle uses radius, and I've also used velocity, which controls the gravity, which is essentially works as the gravity. Next are the procedures and functions that I've used here. These are the four main ones: the draw cube, draw finish line, draw platform, and draw circles. These render these entities on the window. Next are the collision checks. The first one is the collision with the finish line. Upon the collision of the cube with the finish line, the game ends and the level is over. Next is the platform collision, the which checks the collision of the cube with the platform. Next is the circle collision that checks the cube's collision with the circle. Yeah, and lastly is the and second yeah second last is the update circle, which updates the value, which updates the position of the circle on the window so that it appears to be moving. And lastly is the handle game over, which handles when the game is over. Now for the level part, I have added six levels to this game. So the in the first level, I'll just go through a little bit. These are the values for the cube and the finish line, their dimensions and their positions and their colors as well. And here is the velocity that I've used. Next are the constants: gravity and jump power. Jump power is how high the cube can jump. While window close request, yeah, I've used a while loop which says that until or unless the window close is requested, the this will happen. And they have process events. This is where the velocity and gravity plays a part. It appears to be that the cube is jumping, but at that point the gravity is kind of turned off. That's why the value that I've used here is in negative and the gravity is in positive. This negative just works against the gravity variable that I've used here, and these are the keys that are used to control the cube. Next, it is the basic collision check with the finish line, and these are to check to make sure that the cube does not go out of bounds. And these are clear screen, draw cube, draw finish line, refresh screen, etc. For the next level, I have kept everything the same. I've just added a single platform and added the platform collision check, and in the end I've drew the platform. Next, in the next level, I've added four more platforms. That is pretty much it with this level. I did the platform collision check, and yeah. For the next level, I have added a single circle to make it a little bit more hard. And yeah, in the end, I've also added the collision check for the circle, and I have added the draw. Yeah, I have added the draw circle. Next is for the next level, I have added more circles and more platforms. That's pretty much it. I've added the platform collision, circle collision. Everything else remains the same for this part as well. And in the last level, I have added more circles and I've changed the position for the platforms, uh, as can be seen here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the code part. I have used pointers and arrays here and there, which I will Yeah, as can be seen here and here as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the I've used dynamic arrays here. I'm deleting the part, this part. And the main function prompts us to either press 1 or 2, depending on if you want to play the game or if you want to exit it. And yeah, the level comes one by one. Now I'll show you the program. I press 1. Yeah, here the game starts here. This is the platform. Upon the collision with the finish line, the level ends. This is the third level. Now the fourth level, it added a circle. Yeah, here are the moving circles. And this is the last level, a little bit more difficult. Yeah, that's it. Game completed. Thanks a lot for playing. And that's from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.